One. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yes, I can hear. Oh,
Yes, I can hear. Wow. Oh, what is that? Yes, I can hear. Wow. Oh, what is that? Can I see?
no,
Ah, no. Oh, no. What is that? Is that a necklace? Necklace?
no,
Ah, what is that?
it's not this.
A necklace. Oh, is that a toy or no?
No,
Ah, no,
radio.
also? A radio. It's a radio.
Yeah, radio.
Wow. Wow, and it's also a necklace. What music do you play? What music do you play in your radio? Oh, oh,
Seven.
is there a music in it?
Listen. I
Oh,
listen to Chinese.
Chinese. Oh, you listen to Chinese. Do you know how to speak Chinese? Do you
Yes.
know? Oh, really? How do you say, what do we mean by sheshe? Sheshe. Sheshe?
It
Is it
it
is it hi? Sheshe or thank you?
Ni hao.
Ni hao is hi. Ni hao is hi. What is sheshe? Sheshe.
I'm ready.
Oh, I'm ready. Do you know thank you? Thank you in Chinese. Moon?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Sheshe, sheshe. Is it correct?
你好，我叫六六，
What what does it mean?
我是
Wa-
5岁。
Washing? Oh, what does it mean? So cute. What does it mean? How do you say your name in Chinese, Moon? How do you say your name in Chinese? Oh, oh, I know that. It's a clock, right? It's a
Did you have a closet?
I don't have. I don't have. Hmm. Do you have a fan? Tinin. Ah, you
Oh,
cannot see it. Wait, let me just a fan. Ching. Ah,
yeah.
you have a fan? Ooh. Dun, 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 dun. Can I see? Can I see? You have? Oh, there. It's so big. So big. So big. Okay, so how are you today, Moon? Are you happy today? Hmm.
Không phải là
How
có bà
how
không có
how are you today? How
bà
are
không.
you? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you
No,
angry?
I know that.
Oh, you're not sad. Are you angry?
I'm happy.
I'm happy. Wow, that's so cute. You're happy. Did you already eat your dinner? Did you already eat? No, look. Look, teacher will eat
Wow!
fries. What? Nom, 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 nom. Teacher is eating a chicken. Nom, nom.
Eating
What did
a
you eat?
potato.
Oh, you eat potato today? Potato?
Yes.
Oh, really? Like this? Potato. Where is potato? Oh, we don't have potato here. Oh, this one, French fries,
Oh no. Không 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 không.
egg. Nom, 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 nom.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay, so that's good
So
that you Mhm. So that's good that you already eat dinner
I
today.
just have hungry.
Oh, you're not hungry? Really?
I have hungry.
You're hungry? Why? You still haven't eaten yet?
It it felt a smell.
Flowers? Oh, can I see? Can I see? Flower? Ah, is that an eraser? Eraser?
No,
I know. What is it? What?
it fell.
No, it's a flower. A flower eraser.
No,
I know, just a flower. It's a flower.
it's that picture. Teenage.
Ow! Wow, did you color that? Did you color
Hmm.
that? Can I see? Can I see?
I can see mom and me.
Mom and me. Oh, you redraw mom and you?
No,
Ah, no,
me.
only you. Just you? No mom? Wow, that's so good. Are you ready now to continue our lesson for today, Moon? Are you ready? Ready?
Yes.
Ready? Ready. Okay. So now let's us start our lesson for today. So let's have. So we learned the things that we can see in the
Oh.
winter season. Now, let's look at this picture. What is the name of this picture? But first, before we answer, let us first
Mhm.
read the
It's
words that we have here. Let's start with this. Can you read this one? What is
hot.
this? Okay, again. Let,
No,
let's say coat. Coat.
hot. Hot.
Coat. Yes, very good. Next is, what is this? Hmm, what is this? This is, what's this? This is snowman. Okay, again, let's say snowman. What's this? Can you read this one, Moon?
It's a
Read.
snowman.
Snowman. How about this one? What is this? What is this? This. What is that?
It's wet.
Okay, again, let's say winter. Winter, winter season. Again.
I
Hmm? Yes.
winter.
Winter. Ah, what is that?
It's
What's
a win.
it's a winter?
Yes.
It looks like ice. It looks like ice. Is it your eyes? Yeah.
No.
No,
It isn't.
it isn't. So it looks like ice. Is that a paper? It,
No.
I know. What is it?
It's a winter.
It's a winter?
Yes.
Really? Okay. When we say winter, Moon, winter is the season that is very cold. Is it cold in Vietnam today? Is it cold in Vietnam? Is it?
No.
I know, really. It's very
Yeah, at
hot.
night. That at night.
It's very hot in Vietnam. Really? Oh no. Okay, so now let's read the next word. What is this word? Moon. What's this word? Let's say, what's this word? Let's read. What's this word? This.
Salad.
Okay, again, let's say sled.
Salad.
Salad? It's not a salad. Sled. Let's say sled. Sled.
Salad. Salad.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What word is this? What word is this? What what word is this? I don't know this word. How do we read this word? This one is, we call it as mittens. Let's say mittens. Mittens, mittens, mittens. Mittens.
Yes.
Yes, very good.
No,
Mittens.
miss that.
Mittens.
No, mid that.
No,
Mid
mit,
rock.
huh? Mit rock?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Mittens. Mittens. Me, mittens. Can I hear your mittens? Where is your mittens? Can you say? How do you read this word? Let's say mittens. Mittens. Oh no, I cannot hear. I cannot hear Moon. Where are you? Let's say. Let's
It
say.
is something what submits.
Yes, very good.
Misses.
How about this? How do we read this, Moon?
It ice skates.
Ice again. Let's say ice skates. Ice.
Teacher have an ice skate.
No, I don't have. I don't have an ice skates. Hmm. Because it
Teacher have a fire.
I have what? What?
Teacher have a fire.
Fire? Yes. We have a fire.
I see fire teacher.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, how about this? What is this moon? What?
It's snow.
Snow. Very good. So now let's see or let's name the pictures that we can see in this picture. What is this? What's that? Hmm.
It
What?
it it
Hmm.
is
It is. Is it the snowman? Is it the snowman?
no.
No. What is it? What do we call the season when it is very, very cold? Hmm. What is the season when it's very cold? Hmm. What's the season? Okay, we call it as when
Where
winter.
winter.
Okay, very good. Now let's take a look at the picture again, Moon. What is this? What do we
Winter.
winter? Very good. Let's go to our next picture. How about this one, Moon?
It
What what is this?
uh
Is it
no
an a snowman? Very
no man.
good. Very good.
No.
Do you want to build a snowman? Do you want to build a snowman?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Oh, no, you don't want.
I'm very cool.
Oh, it's very cold. Yes, it's very cold, especially when you touch the
Did you
snow.
have a build a snowman?
No, I haven't built a snowman because there is no snow in the Philippines. There is no snow here in teacher's place. Yeah. Do you know sandcastle? Sandcastle. Do you know
Fantastic.
sandcastle? Okay.
Yeah.
Teacher built a sandcastle because there are a lot of sand in here, but we don't have
I
snow.
like
Oh, you like to build a sandcastle?
build the sandcastle with a mom.
Oh, you build sandcastle with mom? Wow, that's
Yeah.
so
And
nice.
Tony.
And brother?
No, Tony.
Who is Tony? Who's
Tony.
Tony? Who is Tony? Is it your friend?
Tony.
Is Tony your friend?
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's good to know. Okay, very good. And next, what is this moon? This is a pink what? Pink, pink, pink. What? is this pink? Pink, 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 pink. Hmm.
Pink. Hmm.
Hmm. What's this? Hmm. It's a pink, let's
Meow
say,
meow.
coat.
No, meow meow.
Wow, wow. It's a wow, wow.
Yes. Meow meow meow.
Wow, wow.
Yes.
Again. What is this? This is a pink wow, wow? No, no,
Yes.
no. It's a pink
Yeah, meow meow.
coat. It's a pink coat.
No, it's meow meow.
Meow, meow. Is it a cat? Do you have a
No,
pink?
meow meow.
Do you have a pink meow meow?
Yes.
Really?
Oh, I can see picture teacher.
Oh, you can see my picture. Okay, again. Let's say pink coat.
No, it's a bang bang.
Pink bang bang?
Yes.
No, it's not a gun. We say it as k k k coat.
K, 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 bang bang.
Oh no. K k k bang bang. Okay, let's say coat, 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 coat. Do you have a coat? Do you have a coat, Moon? Do you have a coat? Yes or no? Hmm, you don't have? Oh no. Moon, do you have a coat? Yes or no? No, 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 no. Uh-oh. No, I don't have. Okay, it's okay. So again, this is coat, not bang bang and not meow meow. Meow meow. Okay.
Not
Okay.
meow meow.
Okay, next.
It's
What
bang bang.
okay, what is this?
It's a coat.
Ah, this is a coat?
Yes.
Really? Oh,
Oh.
oh no. It's not. Oh no, look, I'm wearing the Raymond.
The giant meow meow.
This is an ice skate. Oh no, not meow meow, not bang bang. This is
Meow.
ice skates. Let's say ice skates. Ice skates, ice skates, ice skates. Okay, let's say ice skates. Ice skates. Ice skates. Oh no, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay, teacher will wait. Wait, wait, wait for you. Where are you going? Where is Moon? Where are you? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, where where did you go? Did where are you going?
Xong rồi nó không thích cái này đấy.
Where did you go?
Con không nghịch, con ngồi im đi.
Did,
Đâu
did,
con cứ thẻ tay như này thôi. Xong
huh?
rồi nó tự nhiên là bị lag.
Did you go to the bathroom? Okay.
I go to the bathroom.
Oh, you go to the bathroom. Okay. So next, this one. What is this, Moon?
Eat ice cream.
Yes, very good.
no.
This is ice skates. Okay. How about this? This one. What's this? What's this? What's this? Hmm. What is that?
But
Is
he the only not Tony. S-H-I-N-D.
huh? What is that? Is that a car?
Huh?
Is
No.
is the oh no, yes, it's not a car. What is it?
It's sled.
Very good. Wow, good job. It's a sled. And next, how about this one? This next picture.
It's a fryer.
Fire.
Oh, yes.
Wow. Next, how about this one? What is this?
It meets him.
Mittens. Very good. Good job, mittens. And next,
I am meet him.
you have mittens?
Hmm?
Do you have mittens?
Oh.
Oh. Okay, and next, the last one will be, what is this? Is this the rain? Is this the rain? Yes or no? What is that, Moon? Hmm, what is that? Uh-oh. What's that? It's the,
It's
what's that? Snow. It's the
no.
snow. Okay, so now let's play a quick game. So we will play a quick.
No way.
Do you want to play a game, Moon?
Huh?
Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game? Yes or no? No? Hello? Hello? Do you want to build a snowman? Oh, what is
Beep,
that?
beep.
It's a bottle. Oh, oh, what's that? Is it a water? Okay, let's play a game,
It's
Moon.
umbrella.
Oh, it's an umbrella?
Oh.
That's that's so small. It's a very small umbrella. Okay, let's play a game, Moon. So we have here a game. Okay, let's play.
I like play game.
Yes, we will play a game.
Wow.
Okay, let's play a game.
I play
Okay,
play this that.
okay, choose one number. Can you choose a number?
I like even 11.
11. Okay, what are these?
It makes it.
These. Okay, let's read. Let's read the sentence. Let's say these
Need 10.
are these are
Or blue mitten.
very good. Blue mittens. Next, choose another
I
number.
like 1.
Number 1. Okay, what are these? These
It
are
play. They are red, brown,
hmm? What is this?
and pink. Yes.
Hmm? What is this? These are
Yes.
huh? Is it the shoes?
No.
No. What is the shoes that we use in the ice? What is that? It's these are. Oh no, you forgot? Oh no, you don't know the answer? Huh? What is the answer? These
It
are
is. They are skates.
Ice skates. Very good. Ice skates. So again, what are these, Moon? These.
These are ice skates.
Very good. Okay, choose another number. What number would you like?
I
Number?
like number 3.
Three. Sorry, number 3. Okay, what is this?
It is sled.
Very good. It's a sled. Wow, 35
I like number
points.
2.
Number 2. Oh, very easy. What is this? Or what are these? What are these? What are these? Is this
Umbrella.
umbrella?
You
Look at
need a finger.
what is this? Or what are these?
Peanut của dáng đi.
Oh. Okay, look at the picture. Oh no. Look at the picture. What is that? Is that a shoes?
No,
What are these?
it's sled.
These are sled. These are sled. Are you
Ice skate.
ice? Okay, again, let's say skates. Ice skates, not ice skate. Let's see.
Ice skate.
Ice skates. When you
It's
say
yum.
it's yum yum yum. Okay, so Moon,
I
what?
yum
It's yum.
eat ice cream.
Oh, it's ice cream. Okay, so Moon, when we say the word skate, try to make a smile on your face like this. Skates. Ice skates. Can you try? Try to make a smile on your face while saying the word skates. Let's say ice skates. Oh no, where are you? Where are you, Moon? Are you still there? Why are you hiding from teacher? Oh no. Okay, let's say ice skates. Let's say ice skates. What are these, Moon? Look at teacher. Moon. Moon, moon, moon. What are
It
these?
only have Jan.
Huh?
It only have Jan.
It only have chat? What is that?
It
Oh,
only have Jan.
it only have chat.
It only is a ice skate.
Ice skates. Very good. So these are ice skates. Okay, choose another
Here a
number.
Jan. It
Choose a-
only have a Jan.
yes, choose another number.
Oh, I don't like that number.
You don't like?
No, like
Okay, so let's just go back to our lesson. Okay, so now let's take a look at the
oh,
picture.
I
Oh,
don't
look at the picture. What is this?
Oh,
On
it's a play game.
play game? I thought you don't want. You don't want.
Play game stuff.
I thought you don't want to play the game.
I
Oh,
like play game the stuff.
you want to you want to start again? Oh no. Okay, now look at the picture.
No,
Look at the
no, no, it's
no,
bad.
no look. Okay, look at the
No, no,
picture.
no.
What is that? What is in the picture, Moon?
Is that what?
What is that? Is it a car? Is it a car? What is that? Is it a car?
Yeah.
House.
Wow.
Very good. What is on the roof of the house? What is on the roof? Hmm. What's on the roof, Moon? What's on the roof? Huh? What's on the roof? Is it a snowman? Is it the snowman? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, again, what's on the roof, Moon? Oh, 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 oh. Okay. So what's on the roof? Oh no, I cannot see.
I'm playing a
Hmm?
house.
Huh?
I'm playing a game. It's a yummy game. Yeah,
What
I
is
love
that? Yummy,
yummy.
yummy, yummy. Okay. So
Yummy,
I think, so I,
yummy cow.
okay, Moon. So I think that this will be the end of our lesson
And go to
because
my TikTok. It's 7:99. I is go to car. It only had a
what are you singing? Okay. So, Moon, so this will be the end of our lesson because teacher will have a next class, okay? So may
It's
okay. So make sure to review the things that we can see in the winter, okay? So keep Moon. Bye-bye. You are a good singer, huh? You are a good singer. Bye-bye.